How much ajr. Imagine the Prophet ﷺ says, anyone who lifts the burden or a hardship upon his brother or sister, Allah will remove the burden and the hardship for that person on the day of resurrection. The Prophet ﷺ, he says, cure your sick. How many of us, we have a sick child or a sick family friend, or we have a sick relative or someone in our lives, or maybe you yourself are sick. The Prophet ﷺ is saying, cure your sick by giving in charity. What an opportunity. So please, my brothers and sisters, I know now through these difficult times, but this is a golden opportunity to dig deep. Don't hold back. Wallah. You know, one of the names of the Day of Judgment is the Day of Regret. Because it is on that day you would realize that, man, had I just clicked the button. You know, to even say a mountain of reward doesn't do it justice. So give as much as you physically possibly can. And you never lose with Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. Give as much as you can. And Alhamdulillah, the brothers and sisters at Sadaqa Welfare, they provide much more other services. Go to their website. I'm sure they're going to put it down in the link below. Go to their website and they do so much more. So I urge you, I beg you, and I ask Allah that He rewards you, He blesses you, He protects you and your family and the ummah at large. Assalamu alaikum.